Broccoli. 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 We grow it in Oregon. Broccoli. We eat them at school. My family loves to eat the vegetable broccoli. Flowers. Broccoli. Flowers. Broccoli. My name is Kate and I like flowers and I love broccoli. Mom says a broccoli head is made up of hundreds of tiny flower buds. Flowers I can eat. Sometime me and my sister imagine we're playing on a farmer's field of broccoli flower buds. It's amazing. But today we're going to our cousin Blanca's birthday party. And my sister and mother are helping me make a broccoli raisin salad. And we're making a big bowl of it for everyone. My mom taught me how to make this salad. Now I can do it on my own, but it's faster and more fun to make it with them. We make our broccoli salad with things I really like to eat. Raisins, sunflower seeds, chopped red onion, and yummy bacon pieces. 6 cups of chopped green broccoli, please. Mix. It makes me laugh seeing a whole bowl of flowers I can eat, like this bowl of broccoli. Look, it's a rainbow forest of flowers in the bowl. Now the salad just needs some dressing, and it's birthday party time. It's just 3 ingredients: mayonnaise, red wine vinegar, and sugar. Pour the dressing in the big bowl of broccoli salad, and then mix it all together. Look, a big party bowl of broccoli raisin salad. Now it's time to go to the birthday party.
To learn more about broccoli, search Oregon Harvest for schools.